perfect, perfectly, perfect, English, I'm not sure. Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen, the barbecue series. I am continuing my journey learning how to grill and barbecue this spring, summer, and maybe into fall. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. Today, I really wanted to try my hand on something that I think we all eat and cook on a very regular basis. Boneless, skinless chicken breast. And maybe you just throw it on the grill, maybe you don't. But I wanted to make sure that I had the most perfect, juiciest chicken possible when doing this grilling. To make sure that I get this right, I needed a little bit of help. So CJ, please tell me, how am I gonna cook these chicken breasts so that they are juicy, delicious, and perfect?
What's up, Sylvia? Welcome to sunny Southern California. Hey, thanks so much for reaching out to me on your grilling barbecue journey. So excited for you. Anytime you can get outside, get some sun on your face, get some smoke in your lungs, you're ready to go. So we're talking about grilled chicken breasts today. So just the first thing you want to do is make sure you marinate that chicken. Either use a little barbecue rub or use some teriyaki. They have plenty of great marinades at the grocery store. Give those a shot. The next thing you want to do is learn about reverse searing. All right, so that's when you bring up the temperature of the protein very slowly, and that's where you're going to want to get yourself a little plug-in thermometer. All right, you plug in the thermometer, you set the temperature that you want on there. So with chicken, FDA recommends 165. So what I end up doing is taking it to 160, then I pull it and then let it rest and get the juices redistributed, and then that carryover temperature gets you where you want to be. But to reverse sear, all you're going to want to do is bring it up to temperature. So bring it up to like 140, 145, give or take. Get that grill fired up, get some heat, get some flame going. Take that protein, that chicken, and put it over that grill, sear it up. That way you're not just cooking the heck out of the outside of the meat and not getting the right temperature in the middle. So if you reverse sear, it brings it up slowly, comfortably. The chicken's getting a nice little bath in there, a little smoke bath, you're good to go. And then you sear the heck out of it, all right? Get those grill marks on there, get them going. All right, so that's just the simplest way to do it. Pull it off the grill, five degrees or so less than you want it to be, and then you'll be ready to go by letting it sit for about 5-10 minutes, letting all those juices reabsorb into that chicken. You'll have the juiciest chicken breast you'll ever want. Make sure you give me a call back and let me know how well it works out for you. I can't wait to see the video. Take care.
Thank you, CJ. That gives me lots to go off of. It sounds pretty simple. I think I can manage this. I've already started to heat up my barbecue on the left-hand side, but not on the right, and we're gonna do this reverse sear method and get the perfect chicken breast. Guys, if you wanna learn more about grilling and awesome food and recipes, I'm gonna link CJ's YouTube channel in the description so you can go follow him as well. The one thing that I am taking away from this entire grilling extravaganza and learning opportunity that I'm going through is that it is not a time type cook. What you really do need is a thermometer. Getting your proteins and your cooks on a grill to temperature versus focusing on the clock is really the key here. So I got myself a thermometer, and we're gonna do this right. As suggested, I have gone ahead and marinated my chicken breasts in a really nice honey garlic sauce, and it's been in here for about 6 hours, so I think it's pretty much ready for the grill. time to check on our chicken, and I think we need to give it a little bit of a flip. And let's not let that heat escape and close that back up quickly. It's time to get our thermometer out and check the temperature of our chicken. Chicken is perfect at 165, and we want it 5 to 10 degrees less than that before we head over to the left-hand side of the grill to give it that big sear. So we're exactly where we want to be, just under 160, and we're gonna head over to sear our chicken. So this side of the grill, you can hear the sizzle is nice and hot, and we are gonna finalize our reverse sear here by moving all the chicken to the hottest part of the grill, just for about a minute or two on each side. Let's give that a flip. We got some nice grill marks going on. Oh yeah. There. And that, folks, means our chicken is ready. I guess we need to cut into this to make sure that it is as perfectly juicy. Oh my gosh, you can see the chicken juice. This is so exciting. Wow, that looks perfect. Another great grilling experience in the books for me. I am so happy that I'm getting all this advice from my YouTube cooking family, so I really appreciate it. Keep them coming, because I'm gonna keep cooking and I'm gonna keep learning how to do this right. Thank you so much for watching The Silly Kitchen. If you want to see some great recipes on the grill and in the kitchen, as well as some food photography tips, hang with me, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again soon.